Alright, welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome to my channel. What we're doing in this video is going to be one in a series of videos on redoing our kitchen, which is a total disaster. So we're going to be redoing it. Now, I'm laying over here on the floor, where it used to be the oven, and the cabinet for the oven right here, and the refrigerator was sitting right next to it. And what we're going to do on this area here is we're putting in 6 foot of countertop, and we're going to put the cooktop in it with the vent hood above, and his wife also wants a pot filler. So that's what's going to go right in this section of this wall. Further down, I'm going to try to see if I can fit an electrical panel in there, because I want to redo it. When they initially put all that in the house, they put the electrical panel in a little closet where the laundry stuff is coming in out of the back of the house, and they also stuck a water heater in there. So you got a water heater in front of the electrical panel. That not only means that you can't get to the electrical panel very easily, it also means that by code it's totally 100% illegal. The problem is, out here in this particular area of the world, they don't care what the heck you do. If you burn down and die, that's your problem. So, but I'm going to fix it. I'm going to move everything, use the old panel as a junction box. So anyway, I'm going to do a little series of short clip videos as we start taking this wall apart. There's already some holes in it. This pipe, I don't know if you can see this on the video, is propane. We don't use it anymore, but I'm going to keep it plugged, keep it here. I've got to plug it back over on the other side. You never know, somebody one day down the road, 100 years, if this house is still here, may want to put a propane cooktop in. We're not going to do that. I've upgraded electrical service to 200 amps and feeding the house with a 125 amp circuit off of that. And like I said, we're just going to jump over, put a new panel, that way I can get to everything, because I do want to add a few circuits in the kitchen. So we got a lot of plugs in the kitchen. I believe in plugs about every foot to 2 feet at the most down a countertop. So anyway, follow us along. We're going to start tearing this apart. Okay, done a little work off camera here. Like I said, it's slow going. Stuff to give you an update what's going on. I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not, but it has some more wire up there. This was put up well 6 years ago, something like that. Was at the time was I was going to build a fur down. This was up there around the edge. I was going to build a fur down the wall to kind of encase all that. Well, never got to that, and then I had the heart failure. So, you know, life is what it is. So now we're going in here. So all of this is coming out. We're going to be pulling this out, and this paneling is going to come off the wall to open this wall up. This is the wall that we're going to be putting the cooktop on. So that cooktop is going to go along here. At one time I was going to put the refrigerator down over there next to the oven, which we're going to put at the end. That's not going to be the case anymore. I'm going to, hopefully you can see on the camera here, I'm going to put the refrigerator right here. All this is going to come out. So that means that this opening is going to have to shift over. So I'm going to have to see what I got to do up here to allow that to happen. I may have to take this out and redo a header, because the ceiling joists run this way, and so this will be a load bearing wall. And so I've got to take care of that. Now it's got a propane line in here. Goes down to a little heater on that, but it's been plugged off where it used to come to an old gas, little small oven right here. So we're not worrying about that, it is plugged off there. The old cooktop range over there has the gas. I'm going to have to back that out and plug that one. So it'll be in the wall if anybody ever wants to tear it up a century down the road and do that. So the next thing on the agenda is start pulling this off. Looks like I got a seam right there, so I will just start right here and we will open this up. And I'm going to pull that wire out and roll it up out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that off camera. There's no sense in watching me tear the paneling off the wall. Now here we're getting ready to start pulling all the doors off of the old cabinets. The doors on these are made out of plywood, so I'm going to save those and I'll be reusing them for something else. The cabinets themselves, the interior is all particle board, so we're not even attempting to go to save those.
Are you not knocking this down yet?
No, because I'd have to do something with the sink.
So I'm okay right here, right in
I need
this
to
area.
get under the sink.
Okay, I can do that. All right, you're going to be tearing down stuff like
Yes.
right in here,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, well let me get rid of this. And
Right over here.
for right now I am, yeah. I can throw all that shit to the burn pile.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you what. Whenever I can get in there, I need a split breaker.
It's done.
Okay, you need to tell me
What am I looking for?
those lights to go off.
What lights?
Well, turn the one up over the sink
Over
on.
here on?
Yeah. And I want all of, well, how you know when that goes off? Knowing them, it's on the same circuit, but then it may not be. Alright. Alright, where'd my light go? Oh, this hurts. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and start doing a little bit more demo of that back there. Basically doing the same thing, taking my little, I think 4 or 5 pound, whatever that is, sledge that I've got, and just busting those particle board shells out and just plucking along at that. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video right in here, and I'll pick up another one as we get a little bit further in here. I'll show you some of the stuff that's going on under the sink that we ran into. As we uncover more here and I look at the electrical, I'm surprised that the house is still standing. I really am. I mean, I don't know who Grandpa got to build this place way back then in the 70s, but you know, like I said, I don't blame them. Well, I don't blame the family members because they're farmers, and you know they're not really all into this construction codes and rules. But I mean, some of this stuff is just, oh my God! Yeah, you just wait till you see it. But we're going to be fixing all that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right now. There again, if you like what I'm doing, you want to continue to watch my videos, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Go ahead and hit the little bell so you'll be notified of new videos when I put them up. And then also, if you want to support my channel and my efforts, you can buy me a cup of coffee. The link to that will be in the description below. But it's basically buymeacupofcoffee.com / poor man's DIY. And that's the best way to support me if you can. So until the next one, I'm going to get out of here, and we'll pick this up on the next in the series, and we'll see how much further we get going with this.